This 2023 Grand Design Momentum M Class 336M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 10 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, Sleep 6, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, Colorado detector, TV, LP detector, oven, stove top burner, slideout, external shower, air conditioning, and 110 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum M Class 336M is 14,200 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.